issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 3:30 p.m. At 3 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Alfred, moving north at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Cicero, Evanston, Skokie, Oak Lawn, Berwyn, Oak Park, Rock Ridge, Maywood, Blue Island, Alton, Brookfield, Franklin Park, Hinsdale, Westchester, LaGrange, Forest Park, Chatham, and River Forest. Including the following interstates. Interstate 55 between mile markers 277 and 294. Interstate 57 between mile markers 354 and 358. Interstate 90 between mile markers 78 and 103. Interstate 94 between mile markers 40 and 67. Interstate 290 between mile markers 16 and 29. Interstate 294 between mile markers 40 and 67. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.